So we're going to illustrate what happened before with some diagrams. The code that you ran is shown here sitting under device 1. So what's happening is when it gets to the variable which you identified earlier as cloud_greeting, this is a special kind of variable called a cloud variable that we are going to use in the course. And all of these cloud variables will have the letters cloud underscore in front of it. So what our version of Python does when it sees this cloud underscore greeting is it's going to go to the internet and try to find a variable that matches with that cloud variable name that you have for your school. The very first time that you ran your code, there were no cloud variables called cloud greeting. So what's going to happen is it doesn't find the variable and you get the error that you saw. However, just before you ran the code a second time, what your teacher did was on their device, here, device 2, they're going to run a slightly different version of the code. And in their code, the last line is going to assign a string into the cloud greeting variable. So that third line there is going to create a new variable in the cloud called cloud_greeting and put the string hi into it. Now that your teacher did that, when you run your code, which you did not change from the first time, when you run that a second time, when it gets to the third line, it's going to go up to the cloud just like it did before, but this time it finds that there is a cloud greeting variable and it takes the value it finds inside it, which is the word hi, and it is then able to give that back to your program, and your program will then print it onto the screen.